Welcome back to AutoReviewsGarage. Today we're diving into the 2026 BMW Z4, a sports car that blends style, performance, and cutting-edge technology in a way that truly turns heads. With this new model, BMW has included everything a driving enthusiast could want: power, luxury, and precision control. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, so you never miss out on the latest reviews and updates. From the world of performance cars, starting with the front, the 2026 Z4 features a refreshed kidney grille that looks sharper and more aggressive than before. Slim LED headlights and a redesigned front bumper give it a sporty, bold appearance. As it slices through the air, this car truly looks like a street warrior. The M Sport badge on the front fender confirms this isn't just a luxury car, it's a performance machine. Moving to the rear, BMW has paid just as much attention. A sporty rear bumper, dual exhaust pipes, and sleek LED taillights complement the car's aggressive personality. The updated rear diffuser is not only stylish but also enhances high-speed stability through improved aerodynamics. Now let's step inside, where BMW's signature blend of simplicity and technology shines. The new curved digital display now features the iDrive 9 system, with a 14.9-inch central screen and a 12.3-inch instrument cluster. The cabin comes equipped with M Sport seats that are not only comfortable, but offer excellent support on long drives. You also get wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Harman Kardon sound system, making your drive truly enjoyable. In terms of performance, the 2026 Z4 comes with two engine options: a 2.0L 4-cylinder and a 3.0L inline-6 turbo. The M40i variant delivers 382 horsepower and goes from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.1 seconds. The 8-speed Steptronic automatic transmission offers smooth shifts, and the weighted steering keeps the driver in full command of the car. Now let's talk pricing. The base model of the 2026 BMW Z4 starts at around $56,000, while the high-performance M40i version will cost closer to $67,000. These prices may vary based on market and configuration, but the driving experience this car delivers is worth every penny. The 2026 BMW Z4 is a perfect balance of design, luxury, and power. Whether you're a fan of open-top cruising or high-speed thrills, this car won't disappoint. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit bell icon to Auto Reviews Garage and let us know in the comments. Is the Z4 your dream sports car?